We talk football SA. Football is a game of opinions. Orlando Pirates versus Orbit ngomgqibelo eMbombela Stadium. You know jersey number 10, Moses. Uthini mfowethu?
Ngithanda ukubingelela abalandeli we talk football SA. What I can say first is that you go to YouTube, you enter the subscribe button, you are subscribed for more football information. What I can say is what a tough game. What a tough game on Saturday in Mpumalanga, Mbombela Stadium, Orbit College versus Orlando Pirates, the last game of the Betway PSL Premiership. What I've seen is that Orbit College, they are playing that game in order to survive the X of relegation. Because they believe, when you look at the log, if they draw or win, they are going to survive or rather play the playoff. But when you look at the other side, Orlando Pirates, they don't have to. They are not expecting a slump on this encounter. They need to win, not drawing. Because when they draw, they are losing the Betway PSL Premiership.
Yeah.
Their duty on Saturday, nothing else, is 3 points. It doesn't matter whether it's 1-0, but at stake is 3 points in order to pile more pressure to Mamelodi Sundowns, who are number one currently. Yes. So that Orlando Pirates can celebrate and win the Betway PSL Premiership. Nothing else except 3 points.
How should Pirates approach the game? Cautious or just play, go or gun blazing and attack this team? How should Pirates approach it?
Yes, but they can use both points that you use. They can be cautious, they can be gun blazing or whatever. They can play attacking football. But what I like is to it. They must come gun blazing.
Yes.
They must attack more in order to create more space and to score.
Yes.
But what I can advise Orlando Pirates coach Abdisalam Wado and his assistant Manga Ngekazi is to make sure that before 30 or 15 minutes, Pirates must have 2 or 3 goals.
Yeah.
2 or 3 goals in order to put the intention clear that they want these 3 points today in order to lift the Betway PSL Premiership trophy. We don't have to play 0-0. But
yes.
Even if they don't score the first half, but you must look at it the way they are playing, that something corner into his eye. Yeah, but what is important in order to send the message clear to everyone in South Africa that we are winning this cup, they must make sure that before 15 or 30 minutes, they must have 2 goals or 3 goals.
Yes, and then Orbit is fighting for their lives.
Yes.
As well. So what must Orbit do to survive? Because they need a point. But getting a point against Orlando Pirates is not easy. So what must they do? Park the bus, attack. What must Orbit do? Because I'm confused.
Yes, Orbit can go with a strategy of parking the bus. Maybe their technical must have seen something. Okay, when you park the bus and play a low block football against Orlando Pirates, it's easier. Yeah. Just to get the point that we need, irrespective of whether it will be a suicidal thing to Orlando Pirates. But on their side, it will be like surviving the X. But I don't think the parking of the bus by Orbit will help them. Yeah, because when you look at the teams that were parking the bus and throw the keys away against Orlando Pirates,
they've lost.
And they've drawn.
Only Durban City survived.
Durban City survived because the attacking weapon and the fire that Orlando Pirates will come on Saturday, it will be different from the first game from August last year, because this time there's no other games that are going to play, and this is their only game that they can play and win and get the PSL trophy. You can't allow to lose the league within that 90 minutes on Saturday. Everybody is aware now, even the supporters, everybody, journalists and everywhere, even official at We Talk Football SA, they are aware everywhere.
Everyone is
that
aware.
Orlando Pirates by all skin. Right now, they have to win the game at all costs, irrespective. Norma banga win a 1-0, but what is at stake is winning. So I don't see the tactics of Obit will help them, even if they attack. When they attack is worse.
Yes.
Because when they play open football, you open up.
Yeah.
It's where they can get more than 5 goals.
Yes.
But if they attack, right now, because I've read one of the views of our president of 2000,
Yes.
Relebokile Mofokeng.
Yes.
He said we are going for fire on Saturday.
Yeah.
He sent a message to everybody
Yes.
that we are going for fire on Saturday. We cannot allow the league to sleep on our hands on the last minute.
I know they can't.
Never.
But also Obit is also fighting for their life.
And also Obit is fighting for the lives.
So I think this will be the game of the season.
I think this will be the game of the season, the game of the year.
Yes.
And we can expect fireworks right from Obit.
Yeah.
Expect fireworks right from Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
But for Orlando Pirates to emerge as a winner, they have to score before first half.
Maybe Orlando Pirates has been compared to Arsenal. And Arsenal has won the league. So I think that will be a confidence booster for Orlando Pirates.
In those seasons when Arsenal were failing, they were giving us false hope that they are winning the league.
Yes.
But only to slump on the day where they were supposed to win.
Yes.
The same thing was happening to Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Up until supporters all over the football circuit, they were saying, Orlando Pirates is like Arsenal.
Yeah.
Now we see Arsenal
has won the league.
So it's a sign.
Yes.
It's a token to Orlando Pirates that we as Arsenal in South Africa, we are doing the same, because even Arsenal did it.
Yes.
So I see Orlando Pirates doing the same. Like even our MDC, the District Challenge.
They won the cup.
And I saw the cup at Orlando Stadium.
Yes.
Just as a motivation.
Yes.
They beat Mamelodi Sundowns.
The young boys motivating their brothers.
That if we did it, so Pirates will celebrate double against Sundowns and all other teams. But what is important is for Orlando Pirates. What happened in England will happen in South Africa, in Bombela, in Mpumalanga province in South Africa. Orlando Pirates is going to win the league.
So Orlando Pirates winning the league means Obit College with a chance of going down directly. So that will be a shame for the Northwest people, because the last time they had a team which was Platinum Stars, which is now defunct. So it will be a shame if Obit go down. What's your comment there?
It will be a shame also to the people of Soweto if Orlando Pirates lose on Saturday. Or draw on Saturday, because Orlando Pirates will be a shame. Like them, they will never have a team. So for Pirates, they never had a cups in 14 years.
Yes.
So we are having an opportunity to win this cup at the expense of Obit, who will go down. So both teams will express shame if they lose, or Orlando Pirates if they lose. They will express shame, because this is an opportunity to clinch the cup. And for Obit to go down, it will be a shame to the people of Northwest, and it will be a shame to the people of Soweto and South Africa. For Orlando Pirates not to win the cup. This is a shameful match, both sides. You are able to who wants it the most. Yeah, exactly.
I feel sorry for everyone, but what if somebody says, "Oh, it's better a draw, because Orlando Pirates already has 2 cups, and Obit is fighting for their lives"?
Unfortunately, if we draw, we wouldn't get the cup. So I think it was going to be good if Orlando Pirates had won that game between
against Durban City
at Orlando Stadium.
Yes.
So we were not going to. On Saturday, we were not going to play for the cup.
Yes.
Maybe we're going to be merciful or lenient to them. Obit, I just said draw, we are fine.
Yes.
We'll disregard to play for record to have 71 points if we would have won that game in Orlando. But as we failed to win the game Orlando, and right now we need 3 points.
Yes.
3 points only.
Yes.
In fact, we don't. Another party must not respect anybody on Saturday.
So this means if Obit go down, they must blame Durban City, not Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, we can say like that. We want Durban City when thinking.
Yeah.
Awumele
Wena vele ubala.
kwenza ukuthina
Idlalela vele amahhala.
dlalela mahala wena kungcono une-cup
Yeah.
i-Nedbank Cup
Yebo.
thina usukusurvive la eligini
Yeah.
wena udrowsa abantu emele bawina
Yeah.
awuyindawo awunisi lutho
Yeah.
thina siyaluza beka lo muntu usouza akhamisile uphethe imbazi ufuna ukusikapa yena mase yasimkapa yena nawe uyakapeka so uyabona manje la so ufake impi lapho
Yeah,
kuzobanzima kuzobanzima so those teams both teams and both supporters
Yeah.
it's a shameful game.
Awu, shameful game. Asivale mfundisi, siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Jersey number 10 Moses. Siyabonga.